Imagine a world where robots not only assist us, but also compete in thrilling events, showcasing their incredible capabilities. This is the essence of the World Humanoid Robot Games, where innovation meets competition in a spectacular display of technology. In this week's edition of Video Friday, brought to you by the team at IEEE Spectrum Robotics, we present a curated collection of fascinating robotics videos that highlight the latest advancements in the field. Additionally, we provide a calendar of upcoming robotics events, so if you have any events to share, we'd love to include them. Mark your calendars for these exciting events. Roman 2025, scheduled for August 25th to 29th, 2025 in Eindhoven, Netherlands. This conference will focus on the latest research in robot-human interaction. Clawwar 2025, taking place from September 5th to 7th, 2025 in Shenzhen, China. This event will delve into the world of climbing and walking robots. Actuate 2025, happening on September 23-24, 2025, in San Francisco. This conference will explore the intersection of robotics and automation. Colroll 2025, from September 27 to 30, 2025, in Seoul. This event will focus on robot learning and its applications. IEEE Humanoids, scheduled for September 30th to October 2nd, 2025, also in Seoul. This conference will showcase humanoid robotics advancements. World Robot Summit, set for October 10 to 12, 2025, in Osaka, Japan. This summit will bring together global leaders in robotics. IROS 2025, from October 19th to 25th, 2025, in Hangzhou, China. This event will cover a wide range of robotics topics. Now, let's dive into today's captivating videos. The inaugural World Humanoid Robot Games have concluded with great success. Notably, Unitree has triumphed, securing 4 gold medals in events such as the 1500-meter, 400-meter, 100-meter obstacle race, and the 4x100-meter relay. This achievement highlights the remarkable progress in humanoid robotics. In a groundbreaking moment, PNDbotics Adam has made history as the first full-size humanoid robot athlete to complete the 100 meters obstacle race at the World Humanoid Robot Games, showcasing the potential of robotics in competitive sports. Introducing Field Foundation Models, FFMs, from Field AI, a revolutionary class of models designed specifically for embodied intelligence. Unlike traditional models that are adapted for robotics, FFMs are built from the ground up to handle the complexities of the real world, including uncertainty and physical constraints. This innovative approach allows robots to perform safely and effectively in unpredictable environments, even when they encounter situations they haven't been specifically trained for. Multiply Labs is making waves in the field of life-saving therapies by utilizing Universal Robots' collaborative robots. Their cutting-edge robotic cluster is transforming the manufacturing process of cell and gene therapies, achieving an impressive 74% reduction in costs and enabling the production of up to 100 times more patient doses in a single cleanroom. In an exciting demonstration, we put the Vulcan V3, the world's first ambidextrous humanoid robotic hand capable of performing the entire American Sign Language, ASL, alphabet, to the test alongside a human. This showcases the potential for robots to engage in meaningful communication. Robotic vacuums have become so commonplace that we often overlook the iconic status of the iRobot Roomba, which has revolutionized home cleaning. In a fascinating development, researchers at Dartmouth have created modular robots that can adapt their shapes to suit various tasks. These robots are constructed from cube-shaped blocks that can be combined in different configurations, allowing them to tackle a range of challenges in outdoor environments. Our quadruped robot X30 has successfully completed missions in extreme environments, assisting patrol teams and safeguarding delicate ecosystems. Introducing the Koboshi, a base-shaped robot designed to move everyday objects with a spherical surface that interacts with the floor. It can rock and shift by adjusting an internal weight, allowing users to create movement and otherwise stationary items. Equipped with sensors for posture measurement and communication capabilities, the Koboshi can interact with multiple units, enhancing its functionality. The BLAP model represents a significant advancement in robotics, integrating vision, language, and action to enable robots to adjust their force levels based on natural language commands. This innovative approach to imitation learning is set to be presented at the upcoming IEEE ROMAN 2025 conference. In a heartwarming story, Henry Evans, a Silicon Valley executive who suffered a massive stroke 22 years ago, has become a passionate advocate for adaptive robotic technology to assist individuals with disabilities. Despite his challenges, he has maintained an inspiring outlook on life and even pursued songwriting, one letter at a time. This remarkable journey is a testament to the power of technology and human resilience. What do you think about the advancements in robotics showcased today? Are you excited about the potential of robots in our daily lives, or do you have concerns about their impact? Share your thoughts in the comments below.